जय गुरुदेव। गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। श्री गंगा देव्यै नमः। I am really happy to share about Ganga Dasahara. Ganga Dasahara is the festival of Ganga Avataran. According to the Hindu Purans, Ganga Dasahara is a sacred Hindu festival which celebrated to honor the descent of goddess Ma Ganga from heaven to the earth. And this date and day falls on the 10th day of, we call it Dasmi, on the right of half of the Hindu month of Jyeshtha. Usually it falls in May and June. According to the Hindu belief, on this day Mother Ganga came to earth because of deep penitence, means tapasya of King Bhagirath to liberate his ancestors Pitraj. Why it is celebrated? So the answer of this question: to worship goddess Ganga, the symbol of purity and salvation. To remember the divine story of Ganga Avataran, descent of Ganga. To seeking forgiveness for sins and attain spiritual purification. Also religion's importance, bathing in the holy Ganga on this day or any day, especially on Ganga Dasahara, it believed to wash away the 10 types of sins. Thus, tens mean 10 and types means prakar and sins means पाप. 10 प्रकार के पापों से मुक्ति. Devotees offer prayers, flowers, diyas and donations. Chanting Ganga mantras and performing charity are considered highly auspicious. On the Ganga Dasahara, main ritual: holy bath in Ganga early morning. If it is not possible, take any time. Ganga Yagya, Ganga Arati, which perform every day, every auspicious places of Ganga like Rishikesh, Haridwar, Prayagraj, Varanasi. Also donation of water, food, clothes and fruits is very auspicious to donate these things. Also chanting Ganga Stotram and Ganga mantra is very powerful on this day. There are 4 famous places to celebrate Ganga Dasahara. First in Haridwar, then Prayagraj, Varanasi and Rishikesh. So the story of Ganga Dasahara is very huge story because there are 60,000 of sons of Sagar, and long ago kings Sagar of the solar dynasty perform a great Ashwamedh Yajna. This is very powerful and famous yajna. During the ritual, the sacrificial horse disappeared. His 60,000 sons went to searching for it and found it near the sage Kapila, who was deep in meditation. Mistaking the sage of the thief, they disturbed his very deep meditation. And in anger, sage Kapila opened his eyes, and all the 60,000 sons were reduced to ashes instantly. So their soul could not attain peace and liberation, moksha. And generations later, the king Bhagirath decided to free his ancestors' soul. He performed severe penance tapasya for the many years to bring the heavenly river Ganga down to the earth. So it is very long story. We will also share this story how Ganga came to the earth. So it is humble request to all of you to take a benefit of this Ganga Dasahara and get blessings of Ma Ganga and purify your sins. Also for getting moksha of your ancestors. So Ganga Dasahara teaches us purity, devotions, compressions, and the power of sinners' effort of prayers. So let's celebrate this Ganga Dasahara together and get blessings of Ma Ganga. And we are now the point of Triveni Sangam, confluence of Ma Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. So this is the very highly and energetic place which the 3 rivers comes together. So performing yajna is very powerful on Ganga Dasahara on the Tat of Triveni. So humbly request to also take this benefit and make a life of family and ancestors to give moksha and for family peace, prosperity and removing all sins. For more information, we will also post some information in our group and platform of our Kamala Vishwa Shanti Vedic Yajna. Now we'll going to chanting some mantra. So listen and remember Ma Bhagavati Ganga. Om Je tirthani paracharanti sreka hastani khanginaha te khagungsa sarayo jani vadhanva nitanvashi. Jai Gurudev.